Welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. We're checking out a 2012 Camaro Bumblebee. What kind of model is that? Holy cow. Wait a second. Bumblebee? Isn't that a transformer? Oh my. It's a robot in disguise. Oh yeah. Check it out. That kind of looks more like a Decepticreep there, maybe. Or maybe a Insecticon. But this definitely is an Autobot. Check it out, he's showing some of his favorite scenes, too. And what's really under the hood? Don't stick your hands in there. Those little nanobots will eat you alive. Respect. Check it out. Transformers, robots in disguise. Bumblebee 2, I guess Bumblebee 1 would be the Volkswagen version. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Oh, wrong episode, but still a bot. One thing about Bumblebee, you don't hide at all. Oh no, it's a 20, 30, 40, 50, 60-foot robot.